Fieldmotion's job management software allows businesses to manage everything from quoting, job scheduling, right through to invoicing. Join thousands of companies from multiple service industries already using our system to manage both their field and office-based operations. Customers request a job. You can schedule the job and allocate your best-suited field worker. During the visit, the field worker can fill out the relevant paperwork and get immediate approval from the customer. They can record parts used, capture timesheets, take photographs, all instant and synchronized with the back office. After a job is finished, your invoices can be created and sent out the same day by your accounts team. Everything is then brought together in our reporting suite, providing real-time reports for management. We integrate with the most popular accounts packages, and other features include CRM, quote generation, asset management, stock allocation, email and SMS notifications, and customer portal. Stop using multiple systems to manage your workforce. Let Fieldmotion show you the way. Request a demonstration today.